Hard work without your purpose and without your passion is very difficult. So I mentioned that I ended up in IBA. I came out from IBA. If you want to know my life story, I was so fascinated to work for a banking industry. So I got into an NZ Guinness Bank. At that point of time, it was very renowned one as an intern. But I realized that's not what I want to do. After getting into that, I wanted to do something that mingling around people, working with people to make something new, doing creative things and everything, not in very regulated environment. And that is the story. Many of you probably heard that from ANZ Guinness Bank to British American Tobacco. When I say purpose, I get questioned from many that if you are working for a controversial industry, how do you relate that purpose? You know, purpose is also to learn. Purpose is also to test your ideas. Purpose is also to understand from your consumers, your customers. If you are able to identify your purpose and if you have the skill, then only the hard works really mean something. So I'm getting serious, you know. I'm a little bit of serious person when I talk about these things. So I really say that it is not only hard work, it is also your purpose, and it has to come with your passion. If these things come together, you know, magic happens. Magic really happens. No one can stop you. That is what I say when you say hard work. At times, you know, we set our dream. We are talking about a lot that we are having big dream, but many of us setting our dream where we could actually reach. আমরা যেখানে পৌঁছাতে পারবো ওটাই আমাদের ড্রিম হয়ে যায়। বাট আমরা কোথায় পৌঁছাতে চাই এবং কিভাবে এখানে যেতে চাই পারি। If dream is not really big enough, it's not a big dream. You really make it somewhere that you cannot touch it actually. And then you find out that how to reach there. It is important to understand that many of us, we are talking about working hard, we are talking about thinking big, dreaming big, but you need to be a little deep into it. What do you really mean out of it? You know, I see many of the people will talk about that, you know, it's like you are the hero, became CEO and everything. I go back and I ask my, you know, peer colleagues that it's not that we all aspire to go there. We all are not equally putting our hard work. We all are not equally putting our, you know, dream big enough to reach there. I don't think in an organization, out of 100 people, everyone is dreaming big, everyone is putting hard work, everyone able to link the purpose and passion, but there is a possibility for each and every one of you to become and reach to your goal. You need to believe in it. You need to believe in it. You know, I say in my company, I say, the person who can really sleep well, he can also do a Guinness record by sleeping longest time of the, you know, world. So each of us, each of you are having your own strength. Link it with your purpose, your passion, develop your skill set, you will reach to your goal. Believe in you. We are basically blessed with God that helping us if we are in the right track. Don talked about, you know, your friends and all those things. These are important today.